Rabbits are good groomers and generally don't need to be bathed. However, there are things you can do to help your rabbit stay clean and tidy in case it gets dirty. If you see loose dirt in your rabbit's coat, gently comb it out with a brush designed for rabbit fur. You can also use a mat splitter comb to brush out clumped or tangled fur. For mud or stubborn dirt, sprinkle a little cornstarch on the soiled area and then brush the fur to work out the dirt. If you absolutely must use water to remove dirt from your rabbit's fur, dampen a washcloth and gently wipe the dirty spot with it, taking care not to let the water get down to your rabbit's skin. You can also use a cotton ball dipped in warm water and a few drops of gentle, rabbit-safe shampoo to clean away any buildup from the scent glands around your rabbit's anus. Once the fur is clean, dry it with a blow dryer set to the coolest, gentlest setting. Never submerge your rabbit in water, since it could go into shock or get hypothermia if it gets wet.